Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back. I am coming back slowly and I am loving it. Hi, if you're new here, my name is V. I love to spread positivity. Welcome to Makeup Without Limitations. Ah, I love it. Eyes are getting better, and I want to show you all the stuff that I used for these two eyes. These two eyes cost me money. It took a little while for them to get better because they didn't go behind my eyes. What was done was to scrape the front of my eyes where the growth was. So that takes a little while to heal because you can't have water go in your eyes for 2 weeks. So you have to be very careful. Those eyes almost made me crazy because this this right eye was taking so long. It got a little infection, and then we had tons of drops to use because again they scrape my eyes to take off the growth. So that is why it took that long. Now, the drops that I use, I no longer use my glasses. My new glasses that I just got December of 2025. I no longer use it because it is too strong for my eyes since after the surgery. So I had to go look for my old 2024 glasses. So I'm using my 2024 glasses right now. And I can see a lot of things without it, but some things I still need to read because remember I have a far and near. Okay, so that's how it is. But the first drops, and I think I have duplicates because I went through more than one set. Leave it to me. The first set of I still have my name. Okay, I'll turn it this way because my name is on there. These two are the same. So I use two of these. These are prescribes. These are prescribed edge. These are prescribed eye drops. I use two of these for both eyes. So that's two empty ones. Then the next prescribed one. Then the next prescribed one is this one. I end up using 3 of them. Lots of eye drops, lots of eye drops. Then I had an ointment for the right eye. Then I had another ointment for the left eye. And then another ointment for the right eye. I'm not turning it the other way because my name prescription is on there. So I had to use all of these prescribed drops for both eyes because remember I had a surgery in this one first and 2 weeks later I went and had this one. So I wanted to get them done close so they can heal together. Then my right eye had a lot of dry, patchy sections in it, unlike the left. So I had to use Sustain. So these are like the little sterilized one. Did this. Then had to get the 2-pack one, and this one is done. So I have one left. And the right eye still needed extra stuff. So I end up using 60 of these for this eye. Finally, when I went to my appointment on April 1st, the doctor said, finally, we are moving in the right direction, because this piece right here needed to be up here, but it was down here. I don't know if you can see it. So that's what we were trying to work at. So now everything is fine. Thank God. Patience. If you're having surgery or if you're not feeling well, go to your doctor, but pack up your patience because it will test you. Trust me, I got tested to the point I was like, oh my God. Because I had to put drops every hour of the hour. And you see the amount of drops I have. So I was putting at least 4 drops in my eyes every hour. And then at night, I had to put ointments in each eye to go to bed with. Once I put them, vision was blurry and I was in my bed until next morning. So it tested me. And then that day, I just got to the point I say, oh my God, how long do I have to do all these drops every hour of the day? And that evening, a gift came to me. And it didn't have no name. When I opened it, one of my sisters sent me a gift. I'll put a picture, I think, here or there of it. That was like God saying, hang in there, it's going to get better, because what she sent me, the gift she sent me was like, I needed that. I needed that. So if you're going through anything, don't forget to pray. Always talk to somebody else because you're not in it alone, and have patience. By the time you see this video, it will be 2 months and a half, 2 months since I had the surgery, and I'm just coming out of the woods. So these are all my eye drop empties from February to April. 11 boxes of eye drops, but I'm good. Again, I want to thank you very much for watching this video. Please hype it. And as soon as I go to my doctor, the end of April, he will let me know when I can put makeup on, and then you will see makeup. But for now, I love you. And remember, your struggles are not for you alone. You are learning something that will make you better, and then you can share it with somebody else who might need to hear it. I love you always. Remember, self is always first. I will see you hopefully soon.